There's a powder you can buy at any grocery store for less than $1 that keeps a toilet bowl sparkling white indefinitely without scrubbing, without bleach fumes, and without a single pair of rubber gloves. You sprinkle it into the bowl, add one other ingredient from your pantry, walk away for 15 minutes, flush, and the yellow mineral stains that have been building up around your water line for years dissolve and wash down the drain as if they were never there. Not a $6 bottle of toilet bowl cleaner that burns your nostrils with chlorine gas and needs weekly reapplication. Not a $12 pack of branded drop-in tablets with fragrance and dye that mask the stain without dissolving the mineral deposit underneath. Not a $30 deep clean service kit with a specialized brush that still requires you on your knees, scrubbing the bowl every Saturday morning. 1 teaspoon of citric acid powder dissolved in warm water and sprayed under the rim. 1 flush. The mineral stain that commercial cleaners slide over without touching is chemically chelated, pulled apart at the molecular level, and rinsed away. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda before the citric acid, and the fizzing reaction that sends carbon dioxide bubbles into every crack, every pore, every hidden crevice under the rim that your toilet brush has never reached. Over 127 million people in Japan have been using this method for generations. Walk into any Japanese public restroom and the porcelain is white. Not kind of white. Sparkling, almost glowing white. And there is almost never a janitor scrubbing. There is no heavy chemical smell. Japanese drugstores stock citric acid powder right next to the toothpaste and soap. Brands like Muji sell it specifically for bathroom cleaning. Students in Japanese schools clean their own classrooms and bathrooms every single day from elementary school onward. By the time a Japanese adult maintains their own home, keeping a bathroom spotless is a wired daily habit rather than a dreaded weekend chore. Then the Western bathroom cleaning industry did the math. The global toilet and bathroom cleaning products market generates over $10 billion a year. A $1 powder that dissolves mineral stains without scrubbing and lasts for months cannot sustain a product category built entirely on weekly reapplication and repeat purchase. They did not suppress citric acid because it failed. They buried it under an aisle of branded blue gels, chlorine tablets, and chemical sprays that manage stains without ever eliminating the mineral deposit causing them, so you come back to the cleaning aisle every 2 weeks for the rest of your life. This is the story of citric acid toilet cleaning, the method that an entire country has trusted for generations, and the one powder a $10 billion bathroom products industry praise you never sprinkle into your toilet bowl. If these stories matter to you, the subscribe button and the bell are the best way to make sure this knowledge survives. Now let me explain why the stains in your toilet exist in the first place, because this is the part no cleaning product label has ever bothered to make clear. The yellow and brown stains that build up around the waterline of your toilet bowl are not dirt. They are mineral deposits, calcium and magnesium dissolved in your tap water bond to the porcelain surface over time, layer by layer, creating a hard scale that regular cleaning products slide right over without touching. Surfactant-based cleaners, the spray and white products that dominate every bathroom cleaning aisle, work by lifting surface grime and floating it away. But mineral scale is not surface grime. It is chemically bonded to the porcelain at the molecular level. Soap cannot break those bonds. Scrubbing cannot break those bonds. Only a chemical reaction that targets the specific mineral compound can dissolve them. That is exactly what citric acid does. When citric acid contacts calcium or magnesium deposits, it chelates the mineral ions, which means it grabs onto the calcium and magnesium molecules and pulls them apart from the porcelain surface. The stain literally dissolves into the water and rinses away with the flush. No scrubbing required because the chemistry does the work at the molecular level. This is not a modern discovery. Every civilization that used acidic compounds to clean minerals scaled surfaces understood some version of this chemistry. Ancient Roman households used vinegar, naturally rich in acetic acid, to clean calcium deposits from marble water basins and cooking vessels. Traditional Japanese households used rice vinegar and fermented citrus solutions to maintain ceramic surfaces for centuries before commercial cleaning products existed. In India, tamarind paste, which is naturally high in citric and tartaric acids, has been used to clean brass, copper, and ceramic kitchen and bathroom surfaces for over 1,000 years. Chinese households during the Ming and Qing dynasties used citrus peel solutions to remove mineral deposits from glazed ceramic water storage vessels. Every culture that had access to citrus or fermented acids and observed mineral scaling on ceramic surfaces arrived at the same cleaning chemistry independently across 4 continents in 20 centuries. Now here's what happens when you combine citric acid with baking soda inside a toilet bowl, and this is the method that Japanese households have turned into an art form. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, a mildly alkaline salt. When it contacts citric acid and water, an acid-base reaction occurs that produces carbon dioxide gas. The gas erupts as vigorous fizzing bubbles that physically lift grime, mineral deposits, and organic residue off the porcelain surface. The bubbles penetrate into every crack, every pore, and every hidden area under the rim that your toilet brush cannot reach. The citric acid simultaneously chelates the mineral deposits, while the carbon dioxide physically disrupts their bond to the surface. You get a chemical dissolution and a mechanical scrubbing action happening at the same time without you touching the bowl. Japanese households have refined this into a system so simple it takes less than 60 seconds of active effort per week. Some families make cleaning tablets in advance by mixing baking soda, citric acid, and a few drops of essential oil, pressing them into ice cube trays, and letting them harden. When it's time to clean the toilet, they drop 1 tablet in the bowl and walk away. It fizzes, cleans, and deodorizes all at once. 1 bag of citric acid powder and 1 box of baking soda together costs less than a single bottle of branded toilet cleaner and lasts for months of weekly treatments. If you've made it this far, you already understand more about toilet chemistry than 99% of homeowners and most retail staff selling bathroom cleaning products. Subscribe and share this with someone still scrubbing their toilet with bleach every Saturday morning. Now stay with me, because what comes next is the part they really do not want you to hear. The global bathroom cleaning products market hit $10 billion in 2024. Brands like Clorox, Lysol, Scrubbing Bubbles, and Domestos dominate the shelf space in every supermarket. Their products are built around one principle: weekly reapplication. A gel that disinfects the surface today guarantees you buy another bottle next month. A drop-in towel that colors the water blue makes you feel like the bowl is clean, while the mineral deposits underneath continue building. A chlorine-based cleaner that bleaches organic staining white makes the porcelain look clean, while the calcium scale remains bonded to the surface exactly where it was. The average American household spends between $40 and $120 per year on toilet and bathroom cleaning products. Over 20 years, that adds up to $800 to $2,400 on products that manage stains without ever dissolving the mineral deposits causing them. Compare that to a $1 bag of citric acid powder and a $2 box of baking soda that together provide a full year of weekly toilet treatments for under $3 total. You cannot patent citric acid. It's a naturally occurring organic compound found in every lemon, lime, orange, and grapefruit on the planet. You cannot create a subscription service around a compound that costs $1 per bag and lasts for months. You cannot build a $10 billion cleaning product industry around 2 pantry ingredients that eliminate the need for every branded toilet cleaner on the shelf. And you cannot justify a $6 bottle of chlorine gel when a $1 powder does the job better, faster, and without the toxic fumes. So the industry did what every industry does when a cheap, unpatentable solution threatens a high-margin product category. They never mentioned citric acid on any consumer-facing bathroom cleaning recommendation. They invested billions in advertising that trained homeowners to believe that toilet cleaning requires a specialized branded product with a specific chemical formulation. They made the cleaning aisle so overwhelming that a plain bag of food-grade citric acid sitting in the baking section became invisible to any consumer standing in front of the toilet cleaners 3 aisles over. Meanwhile, an entire country of 127 million people has been using citric acid as their primary bathroom cleaning compound for generations, without ever wondering why the rest of the world insists on chlorine fumes and rubber gloves. Japanese engineers took the philosophy even further and asked a question no Western cleaning product manufacturer has ever had an incentive to ask. What if the toilet never got dirty in the first place? That question led Toto, the world's largest toilet manufacturer based in Kitakyushu, Japan, to develop self-cleaning toilet services using a nano-glaze technology that makes porcelain so microscopically smooth that waste cannot bond to it. They developed automatic pre-mist systems that spray a thin water film across the bowl before use, preventing contact between waste and porcelain. And they developed electrolyzed water rinses that create a mildly antibacterial solution from plain tap water after every flush, killing bacteria without any chemical cleaner whatsoever. These toilets are installed in roughly 80% of Japanese homes today, But the foundational principle behind all of it, whether it is a Toto smart toilet or a $1 bag of citric acid, is the same. Prevention over reaction. Small daily habits over weekend scrubbing marathons. Dissolving the mineral deposit before it builds rather than scrubbing it after it hardens. That philosophy is available to every homeowner regardless of budget, and it starts with a teaspoon of powder and 15 minutes of patience. I need to be honest about the limitations, because credibility matters. Citric acid works brilliantly on mineral deposits, calcium scale, hard water stains, and the yellow-brown buildup that accumulates at the waterline. It is less effective on organic staining from mold or black mildew that has penetrated porous grout around the toilet base. For black mold, hydrogen peroxide is a more appropriate treatment, and we have covered that separately. Never mix citric acid with chlorine-based cleaners like bleach. Combining an acid with chlorine can produce toxic chlorine gas, and that is genuinely dangerous. If you are switching to citric acid, flush away any previous cleaner completely before applying it. Now here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Buy a bag of citric acid powder from any grocery store, pharmacy, or online retailer. It is sold as food-grade citric acid in the canning and baking section, or as a cleaning-grade powder in the household supplies. A bag costs between $1 and $3 and lasts for months of weekly treatments. Step 2. For your weekly maintenance clean, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda directly into the toilet bowl water. Then add 1 tablespoon of citric acid powder on top. The mixture starts fizzing aggressively on contact. Let the fizzing work for 15 minutes without flushing. The carbon dioxide bubbles lift grime and mineral deposits off the porcelain, while the citric acid chelates the mineral ions. After 15 minutes, flush. Done. Total active effort, less than 30 seconds. Step 3. For stubborn mineral stains at the waterline that have built up over months or years, mix 1 teaspoon of citric acid powder into 200 milliliters of warm water in a spray bottle. Spray it generously around the inside of the bowl, especially under the rim where buildup hides. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. For severe deposits, soak toilet paper in the citric acid solution and press it against the stain under the rim so the acid stays in contact with the mineral deposit longer. Then flush and give a light pass with a soft brush if needed. Step 4. For hands-free daily maintenance, make Fizz tablets in advance. Mix equal parts baking soda and citric acid with a few drops of essential oil. Add just enough water to make the mixture hold together when pressed. Press into ice cube trays or silicone molds and let them dry for 24 hours. Store in an airtight container. Drop 1 tablet into the toilet bowl before bed. It fizzes, cleans, and deodorizes overnight. Flush in the morning. Step 5. For long-term automatic maintenance, place a cleaning tablet inside the toilet tank that dissolves gradually over 3 to 4 weeks, treating the flush water with each use. Every flush becomes a maintenance cycle without you lifting a finger. Step 6. Adopt the Japanese daily habit. Keep a spray bottle of diluted citric acid or a pack of cleaning wipes next to the toilet. After your last use of the day, give the seat, rim, and exterior a quick 60-second wipe. This single daily habit prevents the kind of buildup that eventually requires heavy scrubbing. Prevention over reaction. Small, consistent actions rather than occasional deep cleaning marathons. Total cost for a complete year of weekly citric acid and baking soda toilet treatments, under $3. Compare that to $40 to $120 in the branded toilet cleaning products that manage stains without dissolving mineral deposits, or a $200 professional deep cleaning service for a toilet that a $3 bag of powder keeps spotless indefinitely. A mother of 2 in suburban Portland documented her switch from branded toilet cleaners to citric acid and baking soda in 2022 after reading about Japanese cleaning methods. She had been spending approximately $85 per year across 3 different branded bathroom cleaning products and still scrubbing the toilet bowl manually every Saturday. After switching to the weekly Fizz method, her annual toilet cleaning costs dropped to under $4. The mineral staining that had been building up at the waterline for years dissolved completely within 3 weekly treatments. 2 years later, she has not scrubbed her toilet bowl once, and the porcelain is whiter than it was the day she moved in. The chemistry inside that $6 bottle of branded toilet cleaner uses chlorine to bleach organic staining white, while leaving the mineral deposits bonded to the porcelain exactly where they were. The chemistry inside a $1 bag of citric acid has been dissolving mineral bonds since every civilization that squeezed a lemon onto a stained ceramic surface understood what was happening. One requires rubber gloves, toxic fumes, and a weekly repurchase cycle. The other requires a teaspoon, a sprinkle of baking soda, and 15 minutes of patience. 127 million people in Japan understood this generations ago. Roman households knew it, cleaning calcium deposits with vinegar. Indian kitchens knew it, polishing brass with tamarind paste. Chinese households knew it, maintaining ceramic vessels with citrus solutions. And the grocery store 3 miles from your house sells both ingredients for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. $10 billion in annual bathroom cleaning revenue depends on you never walking from the toilet cleaner aisle to the baking section and picking up a $1 bag of citric acid. $6 bottles of chlorine gel depend on you believing that cleaning a toilet requires a specialized chemical with a warning label. And Saturday morning scrubbing sessions depend on you never learning that the mineral stain bonded to your porcelain dissolves in 15 minutes if you sprinkle the right powder and walk away. This knowledge did not disappear because it stopped working. It disappeared from Western consumer awareness because it worked too well and cost too little for anyone to build a branded product line around it. Chelation chemistry does not care about shelf placement. Carbon dioxide bubbles do not negotiate with marketing budgets. And a compound found in every lemon on Earth has never charged a licensing fee. If this video changed how you think about the stains in your toilet bowl, the chlorine fumes in your bathroom, or the $1 bag of citric acid sitting in the baking aisle, then subscribe and share it now. Every single share puts this knowledge in front of someone the bathroom cleaning industry assumed would never walk past the toilet cleaner section. And every subscription keeps this channel digging deeper into the secrets they thought were sealed forever,